The new space race has begun, with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the charge toward the colonization of Mars. In this video, we'll explore the ambitious plans and groundbreaking technologies that are shaping the future of space exploration and mankind's potential settlement on the Red Planet. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. SpaceX, Elon Musk's vision for Mars. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX has been at the forefront of the private space race with a clear mission: make space travel more accessible and affordable, and ultimately, establish a human colony on Mars. Let's take a closer look at SpaceX's plans and the technologies they're developing to make this vision a reality. Starship, the key to Mars colonization. Starship, SpaceX's fully reusable spacecraft, is designed to carry both crew and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. With a stainless steel structure, heat shield tiles, and powerful Raptor engines, Starship is built to withstand the rigors of interplanetary travel. Its massive payload capacity and ability to refuel in orbit make it the ideal vehicle for transporting large numbers of people and supplies to Mars. Mars Base Alpha, SpaceX's first Martian outpost. SpaceX envisions a permanent settlement on Mars, with the first outpost, Mars Base Alpha, serving as the foundation for a thriving Martian colony. This base would initially support scientific research and resource extraction, eventually expanding to include habitats, greenhouses, and other infrastructure necessary for sustaining human life on the Red Planet. Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' vision for space settlement. Blue Origin, founded by Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, shares a similar goal of making space more accessible and establishing permanent human settlements beyond Earth. While Mars is on their radar, Blue Origin is also focused on tapping into the resources of the Moon and building large-scale space habitats. Blue Moon, Blue Origin's lunar lander. Blue Origin's Blue Moon lunar lander is designed to deliver cargo and eventually crew to the surface of the Moon. Utilizing its B-7 engine, Blue Moon can transport significant payloads to support lunar exploration and the establishment of a permanent lunar base, paving the way for further expansion into the solar system. O'Neill cylinders, space habitats for millions. Jeff Bezos envisions a future where millions of people live and work in massive space habitats known as O'Neill cylinders. These rotating structures would create artificial gravity and provide Earth-like living conditions, complete with forests, rivers, and cities. By building these habitats in space, Bezos hopes to preserve Earth's resources while offering new opportunities for growth and exploration. Collaboration and competition, the dynamics of the private space race. As SpaceX and Blue Origin compete to be the first to establish a permanent human presence on Mars, collaboration and cooperation will also play a crucial role in the success of these ambitious endeavors. Public-private partnerships. Both SpaceX and Blue Origin have benefited from partnerships with government agencies like NASA, which have provided funding, resources, and expertise to support their missions. As the private space race continues, it's likely that these public-private collaborations will only grow in importance, with both parties benefiting from each other's strengths and capabilities. International cooperation. The colonization of Mars will likely require the collaboration of multiple nations, each contributing their unique expertise and resources to the shared goal of establishing a human presence on the Red Planet. International cooperation will not only help to accelerate the pace of progress but also ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared more equitably among all nations. The challenges and ethical considerations of Mars colonization. As we move closer to the reality of establishing human settlements on Mars, numerous challenges and ethical considerations arise that must be addressed to ensure the long-term success and sustainability of these endeavors. Technological challenges. Establishing a human colony on Mars is a monumental task that will require overcoming significant technological challenges, including 1. Life support systems. Developing reliable life support systems that can provide air, water, and food for long-duration missions and permanent settlements is crucial. 2. Radiation protection. Mars lacks Earth's protective magnetic field, exposing astronauts to harmful radiation. 2. Developing effective shielding and mitigation strategies is necessary to protect human health. 3. In situ resource utilization. To sustain life on Mars, we'll need to harness local resources such as water, building materials, and potential energy sources. 4. Transportation. Developing spacecraft capable of safely and efficiently transporting humans and cargo between Earth and Mars is essential for the success of colonization efforts. Ethical considerations. The colonization of Mars raises numerous ethical questions that must be carefully considered as we venture further into the solar system. 1. Planetary protection. To prevent contamination of Mars and Earth, strict protocols must be established to prevent the transfer of biological material between the two planets. 2. Environmental impact. Colonizing Mars will inevitably alter the planet's environment. 2. We must weigh the potential benefits of colonization against the potential harm to the Martian ecosystem. 3. Space governance. As human settlements expand beyond Earth, new legal frameworks and governance structures will be required to manage resource extraction, land use, and other issues. 4. Social and economic implications. The long-term success of Martian colonies will depend on the ability to create equitable, inclusive, and sustainable societies on the Red Planet. The colonization of Mars represents one of humanity's most ambitious and exciting endeavors, with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin at the forefront of this new space race. As we develop the technologies and infrastructure required to establish a human presence on the Red Planet, we must also address the significant challenges and ethical considerations that arise from this monumental undertaking. In the end, the successful colonization of Mars has the potential to not only expand our understanding of the universe but also redefine what it means to be human. As we embark on this incredible journey, we must strive to ensure that our actions in space align with our values and aspirations on Earth.